Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today I wanted to film my Sephora sale haul for you guys. I did not get a ton of stuff on purpose. I tried to reel myself in and have some self-control, so most of what I got is actually from Milk Makeup, and then I got some like skincare stuff and a body care thing. So let's go ahead and get started. I think we'll start with the makeup since I did decide to put some of it on to share with you guys. So the first thing we have here is the, what is it called? The Flex Concealer from Milk Makeup, and I got it in the color Buff, which I was kind of nervous that this color might be too dark for me, but I think it blended in pretty well, and we're moving into summer anyway, so even if it was on the edge, it would be fine. It is kind of on the edge for me, but I am liking this so far. It's obviously my first time putting it on, so application was easy. I'll have to use it and see how the day goes. The next makeup item from Milk that I purchased was the matte bronzer stick, and this is in the color Baked. So here is the container. It's very tiny. I was not expecting it to be this tiny. And then it came with a little plastic thing on top that I took off, and there's the color. And I've got that lightly tapped on. I didn't want to go too crazy since I am literally just sitting in my house. I don't need to be done all up. But yeah, I am excited to use this. It seems like it's going to be super easy to work with. And then the last makeup product from Milk that I purchased is the Blur and Set. And this is the Matte Loose Setting Powder. Here's the box it comes in. And I got Translucent Light. I don't know if there are other colors. I don't remember. So here is this, and it's just in a little sifter pot. I'm sure you've all seen this. It comes with a sponge, and then there was obviously a sticky thing there that I pulled off already since I used it. I'm really liking the way that this looks. It really is pretty on the skin. Obviously I'll need to see how it wears over time, but initial application is lovely, and I think it is really nice, although I'm probably not going to touch this until I finish up my Tarte setting powder that I have right now. I'm at the point where it's like the middle is all used up, and I'm at the edge bits and getting nervous they're going to break off and crumble, but I'm going to keep using it until I'm finished because I'm that crazy person that just won't stop, and I'm sure a lot of you are like that too. So skincare related items that I purchased, just one, well technically two things in one. From Clarisonic, I got the Deep Pore. I don't think I bought the Deep Pore one. I thought I bought the normal one. I'll have to check my order and see if they sent me the right one. I don't think I bought the Deep Pore head. Anyway, it's a 2-pack. I'm pretty sure I bought the standard one. Yeah, this feels maybe a little more abrasive than I want. I'm gonna check my order and make sure I actually did purchase the one I meant to buy. Oh. But either way, I got 2 Clarisonic refills because I needed them. And the last item I purchased was just something I was really curious about. It's from First Aid Beauty, and it is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. Now, it is a scrub, so it's meant to be used like in the shower. So I'm not sure exactly how the 10% AHA is supposed to set in and be effective when we're rinsing it off, but we'll see. You know, I was just curious. I wanted to give it a try. I've got KP, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera or not, but like my arms are covered in the bumps. I don't really care. You see them in a tank right now, whatever. But I just thought it sounded interesting. Figured we'd give it a try. I'm a good test subject since I have quite a bit of KP. And believe it or not, that is everything I bought. That's it. Just these few items. So if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!